A new Africanized hydroponic system gives us the capability to transform communities from consumers to producers. Envision a world where fresh, nutrient-rich vegetables are not a luxury, but a fundamental part of every meal. At Fresh Life Produce, our cutting-edge, robust vertical hydroponics system creates more than just freshly grown vegetables. They represent a lifeline for communities and children grappling with daily challenges such as poor nutrition, food insecurity, and hunger. Your assistance enables us to broaden our impact, ensuring that children and families throughout South Africa gain access to the fresh, nourishing food they rightfully deserve. Your support for Fresh Life Produce becomes a compelling expression of compassion, integrity, and kindness, a lifeline for those in need. To learn more about us, visit freshlifeproduce.co.za. Together, let's reshape the nutrition landscape in South Africa and beyond. Join us in this crucial mission.